Coming up with YouTube video ideas can feel exhausting, but in this video, I'll be showing you how you can generate 100+ creative and engaging ideas in just minutes using Spotter Studio. Spotter Studio is a tool designed to assist YouTube creators in generating video ideas and planning their content effectively. It leverages artificial intelligence to streamline the brainstorming process, providing suggestions based on real-time data from your channel and your competitors. This allows creators to identify trends and develop video concepts that resonate with their target audience. Whether you create short-form or long-form content, Spotter Studio adapts to suit your needs, offering actionable insights to enhance your video planning process. When you start using Spotter Studio, the first step is connecting your YouTube channel. This integration allows the platform to access your video analytics, helping it generate tailored suggestions that align with your channel's performance and niche. In addition to analyzing your content, Spotter Studio also offers insights into competitors' videos, giving you a more broader view of what's trending in your niche. This is a data-driven approach that ensures that your content ideas are both relevant and competitive. One of the platform's standout features is the Rephrase Tool, which generates random video concepts based on your preferences and channel data. Spotter Studio also includes title generation features that generate optimized video titles. The AI analyzes keywords, power words, and your niche's trends to produce engaging and clickable video titles. Tools like Mood Shift and Rephrase let you experiment with different tones and wording to find the most effective option. This ensures that your video title grabs attention while remaining relevant to the content. The platform highlights which words or phrases also perform well in specific categories, helping you make a more data-informed decision when crafting your title. Now that we've talked a little bit about what we're going to be doing in this video and the features behind Spotter Studio, let's move into a screen share demonstration and show you exactly how this process is going to work. If you guys want to follow along with me and not skip any of the steps, and also get access to 60 days for free with Spotter Studio, I would highly recommend using the link down in the description. When you click that link, you should be brought to a page that looks like this. As you can see, this is Spotter Studio's sign up page. Now really quickly here, before I show you how to sign up on here, I want to be really transparent and show you their pricing. As you can see, when I click on the pricing option, they have a very simple pricing plan, which is basically broken down like this. They have a monthly plan or a yearly plan. Now, if you go with the yearly plan, you're going to be saving quite a bit of money here, from $588 a year all the way down to only $299 a year. If we go with the monthly plan though, it's only about $49 a month, which is in my opinion very affordable. As you can see, here's everything that's included inside of this plan. Things like the unlimited AI concepts, titles and thumbnails, outlier video tracking, collaborative project planners, invite to additional team members, connecting one YouTube channel, and the access to brainstorm outliers, projects, and more are all going to be coming soon with this platform. Now, for the sake of this video though, we're just going to go with the monthly plan just because it's going to be the easiest. We could save 50%, but I just want to show you this in the video. So the first thing we're going to do is start my 60-day free trial by clicking this button. Once we click the start free trial button, we'll then be asked to sign up with our Google account, which is going to be probably the easiest way to get started with this, considering the fact that your Google account is just such an easier way to sign into most of these platforms. So we'll go down this white button, click this, and then we'll enter our valid Google account to actually sign in with them. Now, once we've signed into Spotter Studio, the first thing they're going to do is make us choose which plan we want to go with. Like I said before, we can go with the monthly plan or the yearly plan, but we'll go with the monthly plan for the sake of this video. We'll hit the start my 60-day free trial button, which will then take us into this next page here where we do have to enter our credit card details. Don't worry though, you can cancel at any time and you won't be charged anything until that 60-day period is up, which gives you plenty of time to get started with this platform and start using some of its amazing features. Once you have all this information filled out, you then can go down to this button down here and hit the start trial button. And just like that, you're almost ready to start creating. Now we just have to connect our YouTube channel. We'll then hit the connect channel button and then connect it with our Google account, which will automatically sync it with our YouTube channel. We'll then have to select all of these to make sure that they have access to everything and then hit the continue button. And just like that, we are officially inside of Spotter Studio. So the first thing we're going to do is hit this get started button. And now we can personalize our thumbnail and basically helping them nail our vibe. And again, we can do anything for here, but for now, we're just going to say next to follow creators. We can skip without saving. Follow creators that are in our actual place here. We can choose any of these creators that are interesting to us, but for the sake of this video, we'll go ahead and skip this part as well. We're now officially inside of Spotter's dashboard. This is what it should look like, and this is kind of a basic breakdown of everything that you'll get inside of this platform. You can search for things if you have an idea and start brainstorming. You can start a new project. You can go over to your existing projects. You can go over to your calendar or your outliers, and there's also the labs feature where you can mess around with that as well. Now, to show you how to generate these titles, as you can see right here, if you have an idea, you can start brainstorming. So let's say, for instance, that our niche is in the food review niche. I'll just type in food review and hit the go button on the titles tab. As you can see here, it's now going to instantly give me a bunch of really SEO optimized and highly contextualized specific video titles that I can start making videos about pretty much right now. As you can see here, it's already given me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different video titles here. And if I wanted to generate more, I simply click more button. Guys, this tool is incredibly powerful. And as you can see here, I'm getting a bunch of different ideas that I can start building my very own set of of videos off of in just a matter of seconds. And the best part is, if there's any specific food videos that I really like here, I can click into these and start editing them and make my own edits to them. I can click the keep button here if I want to keep them, or I can hit the continue button here to continue to make different phrases, or shorten it, explode it, mood shift, or this but, and make some changes as well. As you can see here, let's try messing around with the rephrase tool, where basically this will just take the same title and rephrase it a bunch of different ways to give us some more ideas. So now we have a bunch of different versions of this, and we can go even further than this. Once again, we can have the shorten option, the explode option, the mood shift option. Let's try the mood shift option if we want more of a kind of bold or aggressive title, or if we want something a little bit more chill and relaxed, that's an option here as well. As you can see here, these are all the titles that I can choose from, and if I like any of these, I can just hit the keep button. So I'm going to go ahead and just keep this button, and then as you can see on the left here, I now am starting to build my very first project. This is going to be the title of the video. We can even add our very own hook here and even upload the thumbnail. As you can see, we can also mess around with additional inputs down here if we want some more things like the YouTube best practices or my style, depending on what we're actually kind of going for as far as the overall aesthetics and the style is with this. As you can see, we can also hit the generate button here. We're just going to leave most of this blank and hit the generate button. Once we hit that generate button, it will then actually show us even more titles that we can choose from. And guys, this really is an endless way to come up with so many ideas. The best part about this too is that if we want to go back and look at some of our older video titles, we simply can scroll to the left with our mouse or use this little portion down here where we can use these arrow keys. And it's pretty much that easy. They even have a little kind of example of what this might look like on your actual YouTube channel, showing you the title, your personal name, and how many subscribers that are connected with this, which is just another extremely helpful and useful tool. And guys, that's pretty much it. I would like to make this seem like it's a much more of a complicated process than it is, but this tool really is incredible and it is so powerful to use. If you guys want to get started with Spotter Studio and get it for the first 60 days for free, I would highly recommend using the link down in the description. You'll get access to that 60-day free trial, plus it's the best way to support us making more videos like this one so we can help you on building your YouTube channel. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you never miss any of our future videos, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one.